So for the Ned, I'm not really feeling for the thump as much as I'm waiting for my line to move. Keep an eye on my line. So I just lift, reel in, let it come to me, let it hit the bottom, rinse and repeat. That felt good. Oh my!
Oh my God. Keep it on, keep it on.
Oh! I was horsing it.
Doubled up too, Paul. They both spit ours at the exact same time. You'll catch that on video.